Yeah, yeah, yeah. Uh, uh-huh. Handle all of my business, I'm a boss, baby. No else on my record, I never lost, baby.
Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. So today, as you can tell by the title, I'll be showing you guys how I achieve these knee length Butterfly Soft Locs. It was actually a super easy process. It didn't take forever either. So yeah, if you guys are interested in seeing how I achieve this look, then just keep watching. Okay, so majority of my head is already done. Let me turn around. Boom. I feel like my parts are pretty decent for me not to have used no mirrors for real. And then this is the length of the hair. Quit playing with me. But I already went ahead and braided the hair off camera because y'all seen me do mini braids like I don't know how many times. All I used was this, the Jamaican black castor oil leave-in from Shea Moisture. Always use it, it's nothing new. Use this, and then I use the Shine Gem for making my parts and all that good stuff. So boom. I'm out of breath. Where do I start? Okay, so basically this is all I've been doing so far. I have the hair. I'm gonna have everything linked down below, but I have the pre-made soft locks or whatever, and then I also have the crochet hair. I'm gonna try to explain it the best way I know how, but it's really like, it's real simple. So I seem to not have the knot up here from crocheting this. All I've been doing is like putting it midway down basically, but I've still been trying to make sure they're all even. So put the hook through like midway, and then find wherever the loop is in the lock. If I can get it open, boom. The loop for the lock. Hook this part through. Some of them be getting stuck, but hook that through, and then I grab my braid and the rest of the lock, and I just pull it through the loop like so, and then pull it to tighten it. Boom, there's that. And now it's basically the length of all the other ones. So after we have these two, I've been using like, Miss Ma'am, please stop snatching my locks. I need these. Anyways, I've been grabbing like 2 or 3 pieces depending on how big the section is for. So for this one, I'm gonna grab 3. 3. Actually, I'm gonna grab 1 more because these aren't that thick. And for this hair, I actually cut it in half. I don't remember the full length off the top of my head, but it was basically like folded in half and then I cut it. I hope that makes sense. So I did that, and then take the hook, and the hook I actually put through the whole root of my braid. Twirl it a little bit just to make it easier to grab all the hair, and then I just hook it and bring this through. Now I feel like this is the only like semi-hard part, but it's still technically not hard either. But I pull my hair, we lost one, oh well. I pull my hair to where it's only like this much at the end of it because you really don't need that much. And then you just wrap. I do like two or three good tight ones, and then I start wrapping it down. Like I said, wrapping, don't twist it. It's definitely gonna unravel, but this is basically it. It's actually really, really, really simple. And then when I get lower, since these are pre-made locks, they already have like some of the like butterfly loops made. So if the hair goes that far down, I just really like wrap over and under it and then just keep going so the loop will show through. So like I'll go over it and then finish wrapping under it. I hope y'all can see that, but that's basically the gist of it. So let me finish this one off. And then to seal it, I just keep wrapping the hair until there's literally no more, and then roll it between my hands like so until I feel like it's like locked up good enough, I guess, and boom. Hold on. This piece is being funny acting. Lock complete. I'm gonna do one more just so I'll make sure I show y'all good enough. Wait a little faster. Braid, find like a midway point, stick it through, lock, find the loop, loop it through. My braids is itty bitty, so they be getting stuck, but also low ball, since I'm putting them like throughout the braid, not throughout but like at the middle or like lower bottom of the braid, is actually adding length. I don't know if y'all gonna be happy about that. You could just add yours like up here, but I high-key wanted mine's with this extra length, so I'm not mad at it. I like it. It's cute, you know, but that's just to keep that in mind if you're not really a fan of the dramatic like knee length, floor length type hairstyles. And then we pull the crochet here through and start wrapping. This style is actually like, y'all know, I said I'm ready to lock my hair up, so I feel like I'm gonna start doing this a lot more, especially now that I like for sure know how to do soft locks and I don't have to make my own anymore. It's really up and it's stuck. I'm like, y'all really finna see me with locks in my hair all the time, basically. Like, I'm really gonna be having these in my hair. But yeah. And as I said, just tuck the hair, wrap till you can't wrap no more, and then give it a good roll between your hands. And voila. There we have it. Boom. I'm gonna go ahead and finish the rest of these real quick. I'm gonna speed through it, and then I'm gonna come back to y'all when I'm all done and whatnot and give y'all a count of how many I have and all that good stuff. So yeah. All right, y'all. So in total, I have. Let me count real quick. 1, 2. In total, I have 39 locks. I really thought it was gonna be more than that. I'll have everything linked down below of like the hair and stuff I ordered, but this is what the packs came in. It was a total of 6 packs, and I ended up using like 4.5. I think they said it's supposed to be 12 in each, but I had some that had 10, I had some 11. Like, it really varied, so make sure you have enough beforehand. And then for the little passion twist hair, I think I used 3 packs in total, but like the hair is like this. I cut them all in half, so I really had double the amount of hair. I hope that makes sense. But yeah, I started at around, okay, realistically I started at 10:30 and I didn't end till like 9, but that's because I had to take breaks. So all the way through, it probably realistically took like 3, maybe 4 hours. But keep in mind, you know, I had to part my own hair and I had to do everything myself. So if you have somebody else to part your hair and do your braids for you, it might not take that long, but hey, it happened. This, y'all still can't even see like the full, I don't know what, okay, and I have the nerve to have on all black, but as you can see, it's all the way down here. The length was supposed to be 36 inches, but as y'all seen, I added the hair like halfway down my braids, so it added me a few extra inches. But yeah, this is the final results. I am in love. I am happy with how it came out. Y'all probably will see me doing more of this style, but you know, different colors soon. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Comment down below what you guys think. Do you guys like this style on me? Because I like it on me. And comment down below, are you guys gonna try it out? So yeah, like I said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.